Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial Fast Python for Dummies. In this tutorial we are going to see how the while loop works in Python. And well, for starting we are going to print the numbers from 0 to 10 using the while loop. And for that, first of all, we have to declare a variable. In this case we are declaring a variable called number that is equal to 0. And after that we can type while the number is less than or equal to 10. The number, if the variable complies with this condition, Python is gonna print that number on that Python shell. And after Python prints the number, we will add a number 1 to that variable. For example, if we start with 0, the next print will be 1 and 2 and then 3, and it's gonna make a loop until the number 10. Okay, don't forget to use the tab here, the key tab, when you use the while loop. Okay, we can run this code right now. Okay, we save it and okay, numbers are here. You can see it from 0 to 10. Okay, now we can comment these lines and go to the next example using the while loop, that actually we are going to print the letters of the alphabet using a while loop. Okay, and comment. This is these are lines of code that I have prepared for you. Okay, we are going to start declaring a variable a equal to 97 and a variable b, okay, space to make it look better, and a variable b equal to 122. Actually, Python interprets, for example, CHR. If you type this, if you tell this to Python, it interprets as the letter A. Okay, so we are saying that while A is less than or equal to B, we are going to print the letter for the number, I mean the CHR, or the character for the letter A, for the variable A, sorry, that is going to be equal to A, and it's going to be until the character 122. That is actually the letter Z. Okay, now we can run it and check what we get. Okay, you can see right now the letters of the alphabet from A to Z. So it's working correctly. We can comment these lines right now, and now I am going to show you an example using printing words and numbers. Okay, we uncomment this region. Okay, so well, it's an example actually. If you want to print street numbers of a street, for example, starting since 100. Okay, we are saying that if the street number is less than 150, we print it. And then we make a loop adding 1 to the street number. So it's going to start from the street number 100 until the street number 150. Okay, now we can run the module, but we have to save it first. Okay, so you can see here, it's actually we are assigning a name. You need to make it in quotation marks and then comma, and then you can print the the variable. So here you can see street number 100, street number 101, and so on until street number 150. Okay guys, thank you, and this is all for this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.